This requires some heavy-duty unboxing equipment. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Oh, you're gonna love it. Comes in this very huge orange box. This video is in a collaboration with Beltikbags, and I will post the Beltikbags website up here, and also they offered a discount code which is valid on anything that they offer online, and it will also be posted up here, and the link will be in the description box below with also the website link and all that information. And my friends, you'll be able to see everything in full detail on my website. I will share everything. This is what it looks like on the inside of the box with the paper. It comes with the ribbon, as you would expect. And it also comes with this, which is documents and papers. And this is it. It comes in this beautiful dust bag. So let's see what this has on the inside, because actually that's the most exciting part of all. Let's get right to it. So soft already. I can feel this squishiness. I love squishy soft bags. The big reveal. Oh, my friends. Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. This is just not even nice. It's so beautiful. Oh, my friends, this is incredible. That is so, so nice. So nice, my friends. And as I said before, the website link will be here for Beltikbags. Also the discount code. You will not believe how beautiful this bag is. I don't even know how to share it with you. That is such a stunning bag. You can see the reflection of everything on it. And the leather on this is super, super soft. You can even see that the leather is super flexible and so soft and smells so beautiful. This is what the sides of it look like here. It's really nice. Oh, it has little booties on. Okay, this is so cute. Come on in, my friends. Let's get up close and personal with this one. It has the logo here, as you would expect. And this is what it looks like on the side. And up close and personal, you can see all the pretty monogrammed design in the fabric itself. It's not even fabric, it's leather. So you can see the monogrammed right inside the leather. It actually looks a little bit like ghosting, because at one angle you see it perfectly, and at another angle, no, it's there, it's not there, it is, no, it's not. But this is beautiful, and the smell of the leather off of it is really beautiful. And this is the logo here on it, and this is what the inside looks like. It feels like the suede on the inside. The feel is, this will become your new favorite bag of your life. It has a magnetic closure here, and also the magnetic closure on this side here. It comes with these straps if you want to tie it closed. Let me get the seals off and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the inside of the bag here. It has this centered pouch in there, which is super, super protective of your things, that you don't want anybody to reach in and grab something, so you can put all your valuables inside this little pouch. But the hardware here, there's the logo on it, and all of the zippers have this logo on it. And the zippers, super zippy. So you can zip it up or down, either way. Then this is what it looks like on the inside here. The bag is about a medium-sized bag, but the inside here has a huge capacity. Also comes with papers down here. Yes. Oh, and extra bonuses. And this side is the center compartment. And then this side here, the material is incredible. It's actually made out of cowhide leather. You can see it's super soft, super flexible. Just one of those bags that you just love to tuck underneath your arm, just because it feels like a teddy bear. So, winning. And this little magnet here to close it is super easy and super snappy. Very, very nice. This is the goodie bag that was on the inside, so let's check it out. Special gifts, 2 special gifts, and the crossbody strap. And this is the crossbody strap. This strap, ooh, that is very nice. It's narrower at the ends where you would fit it into the buckles and fasten it down. But you can see that it's also tapered out to be a larger strap. And this kind of strap is super comfortable. So let's see what's in these little gift boxes. Okay, keys. This is the lock with the monogram on it. And the logo's name here. And the other gift box, also keys and another lock. And this one too comes with the monogram on it here and the designer brand on it here and keys. So let's get it all hooked up and I'll be right back. I'm back again and it's all ready and prepped to go out on her first trip. This bag I have no words for. So beautiful, my friends, so beautiful. The strap, I put it down at the longest that it would go here and here. It will fit really, really beautifully over the shoulder. This strap is really comfortable. The bag is super squishy, so when you carry it like this, you're going to love it. It will feel like your teddy bear. And the little locks fit on each one of these. They have a long enough leather string here that you can tie it off on the top and just make it like a little bow on the top. It's so feminine. You can just leave them hanging like this, which is probably what I will do. But these little locks give it some weight on the bottom of it so they don't fly everywhere without being under control. But you can put them on the outside like this here. You can tie the bow on the top of it, or if you want to be a little bit more discreet about it all, you can tuck them on the inside like this here. And this is actually made of calfskin leather. The stitching on this bag is perfect. And the glazing on the straps here and all the finishings is perfect. You can find the link to the website up here. There will be a discount code here, and you can use this discount code for anything, so it's valid for anything on their website. You won't be disappointed at all. This bag will become your best friend.